everybody. Happy Sunday. Happy Easter Sunday. So let's make Easter baskets for my grown kids. I've been getting videos from my daughters for a while now. First it was verbally said. I think last year, the year before, they asked why I decided not to give them Easter baskets anymore, like an Easter gift, chocolate of some sort. I don't think I've really done a huge basket for them, but they've gotten something. So even one year it was just like in a little cup, but they've always gotten something, some form of chocolate. I think when they were younger they might have got a little bit more, but it's never been extra huge. So, but they've always gotten something. So I've been getting hints, not hints, just videos telling me that they still want an Easter basket. So it's kind of funny and it's kind of loving in the same way, because it shows that they appreciate it and they like to get things like that. I used to do it for Valentine's Day as well, and I stopped that because they weren't using the stuff that I was buying. So, and just how Christmas is going, I'm giving them stuff that they're going to use, right? For me, Easter, for me, I used to get stuff at Easter that was like, I find it's like the new year. So something fresh, spring is coming. It's just, light and airy, something brand new for Easter. So, so I'm gonna give them stuff that they probably are going to use, and of course the fun stuff like chocolate and stuff like that. So let's get into it. I'm just going to move everything here, and then I'm going to show you what baskets I'm going to use. So, got these from Dollar Tree, and I got them in a color and size that maybe they can use in their room, and if they don't use this in their rooms, then I could use it. So, let's see here. I don't need another notebook, but I love this. I was looking for one for them, but I don't know if they're going to use it. So I got this one for myself. So this is mine. I went into my stash of tissue paper and stuff, and so I'm going to use this basket and some form of tissue paper. I'm not going to do too much in terms of tissue paper, because it's going to come back out and we're going to save it anyways and use it. So just so the baskets have a liner of some sort, some kind of decoration, kind of do it up like that. I'm going to fix it, of course, after the things go in. So I don't know if I should do it long ways or, something like that. That's how they're going to receive it. Something like that. We shall see. Okay, so let's get into the goodies now. So they have a huge, thick chocolate pudding. I'm going to show you how it looks after. It's heavy, it's moving. I'm just going to put that there. I got them two of these. These I'm gonna put in the end. Chocolate eggs. So for other things, I got them each one of these. They use that. I don't know if my older daughter uses it. I also got them some socks. So I'm gonna open up this pack, and they are, I got this from Dollarama, and it was that $2.50. So I'm gonna split it. So they each have one of this. So I'm gonna open it up. So I'm gonna put one there. I got them another pair of socks. Yeah. So I also got another from Dollarama. I'm gonna keep one, and then they each get one. So these are like shoe liner type socks, so same as this but in black. So each one gets one, and then I got one for myself. And I got these. I think these came from a Dollar Tree. They say men's. I didn't even realize they said men's, but they're from Dollar Tree. And again, the same kind of style. So for their socks, I'm just gonna take off the packaging, and they each gonna get two of that. So I'll put that there. I also got, this came from Dollarama, so they each get a lotion. I get one of these. Oh god, I did that one. So yeah, here's the other one. In terms of candy, they like majority of the same things, but some things are different. So I kind of just went with one pack of something that I know they'll both eat, because it was just hard to remember what everybody's liking nowadays. So the Sour Patch Kids, this came from Dollar Tree. Got this from Dollar Tree. This is Sassy and Chic. It is nail files. So there's two in each, and so I got them. I bought 2 packs, so I'm gonna split them up so they each get one. Tweezers, because they can use it in their beauty routine. I think they use tweezers, so I got them. This is like a really thin one. You can see the tip. So I got them each one. Different color. So each got one. Oh, here. So here is the other nail thing. Nail file. It's good for traveling, and it's in its own case. So that was good. I think there's more than, I don't know, there's one each. So each one gets one of those. And lip balm. I got them a pack each of 2. This came from a Dollarama. It's the Nivea, and it's the hydrating one. We're getting out of the winter season, but we still like to hydrate the lips. Still gets dry. Yeah, so they each got one. I was thinking of a bar soap, but again, they use different types of bar soaps and different types of body washing combinations. So I'm just gonna get them. I just got them a bar of soap each, and different ones. I believe, yeah, I think it was a different one. So each one got, yeah, here's the other one. This was $1.75. So let me take that one off. They each got one of those. Got this huge $1.75 price tag. So I got that. And then I believe that's it for this is what it's looking like so far. It's pretty good. They're lucky. They're very lucky. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it together, then throw all the candy in, and then show you. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, so this is the other. Yeah, you cut one like this. The tweezers. Oops. So I'm gonna put it together as much as I can, and then show you how it looks at the end. But this is what it's starting out looking. So I'll show you both of them. Okay, I'm still preparing the baskets, but I just wanted to show you the chocolates that I'm going to put in. Because the basket is still deep, it's all gonna fall to the bottom anyways. So this is the Easter eggs, and it's the Cadbury cream eggs. So you get a mini cream egg, dairy milk. This is the dairy milk. This is the caramel, and then this is the cream egg. This is a good size because the original size is big and sweet. So I'm gonna do that. And we also got a pack of. I also got a pack of Buenos. This is really good. I bought two. I opened up one, and yeah, almost done. Not good for this weight loss, but yeah. So this is what else I'm going to put in. So they're like the Bueno eggs, mini eggs, just like the Bueno chocolate. So I'm gonna put that in as well. Again, it's gonna fall to the bottom because I'm not really stuffing it up as much, but just wanted to show you. Okay, so here's how they're looking now. That's one done. And the second one done. So I have 2 Easter baskets for my adult children. 2 Easter baskets. So this is how it's going to be presented. I'm not going to wrap it up anymore. I'm just going to put it out there with their names. And oh, the Easter Bunny has arrived. Hey everybody, I'm back. I just wanted to pop on here just to show you what I got. I got an Easter basket myself. My girls put together a Easter basket for me. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I got. Got that. And then this beautiful plant here. Some facial stuff. They are just masks. And something for my nose. Oh, this is for the nose. They got me. And a face mask, and then chocolates, a whole bunch of chocolates in the basket. So it was so cute. They repurposed a basket that I already had, or that we already had here, and made me an Easter basket. Hope everybody has a great Easter. We are about to eat brunch. It's almost 2 o'clock. I guess it's still brunch, right? It's almost 2 o'clock, after 1, almost 1 o'clock. And we are setting out to have brunch. So hope everybody had an amazing Easter. Take care. Bye.